So STQC is more of data privacy, data protection. And why is it so important? That is a matter of debate actually. Like many people are asking why is such a implementation suddenly overnight, why we are emphasizing it so much. So you look at any developed countries, it is a matter of the self-esteem or the morale of the citizen. Like you value your citizen and their data. This is one of the primary aspect of it. Secondly, definitely when it's coming to the national security, who handles the data? That is also very important, right? So you look at UK or Europe, GDPR is a mandatory compliance for any software, any data that is being managed, all right? So when it's coming to US, you have statewide there are different models, or even different agencies are having. You would have heard of HIPAA for the insurance or medical related things, and BIPA for the biometric data, and you have California have CCPA. So all of them statewide itself, they are actually having their privacy data protection acts are in place. So what is that we were having in India? Literally nothing. So that is where STQC or certain or all these kind of activities is being driven by the government. See, now India is moving to the fourth largest economy in the world. It's high time that we have to make such protective measures for the well-being or the self-esteem or the protection of your citizen, as well as the protection of your country. It is millions and millions of eyes around the world, around your country, around any nook and corner of your country. So if somebody is going to handle this data in a wrong way, the impact is so much. So that is where STQC is becoming very important. That is where the data privacy and data protection is becoming very vital.